Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a frozen turkey breast in the Instant Pot Dual Crisp with Ultimate Lid. Alright, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. This is a 3-pound turkey breast and it's froze solid. Now this was a savory herb seasoned one, but I had to run under hot water to get that gravy packet out from there that was froze solid to wash some of the herbs off. So I'm just going to add some more seasoning to it. I'm going to put a little bit of thyme on it. We're going to make our own gravy anyways out of the drippings, so I won't need the gravy packet. I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary. And some's falling down in the bottom of the pot, but that's fine. That'll season our gravy. And I'm going to use some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic mix. If not, a little garlic powder, salt and pepper if you don't have this. Alright, now I'm going to get some chicken broth. You could use water in the bottom, but I'm using chicken broth because I have it, and I want to make my gravy just that much more richer. And I have my turkey breast on the trivet that came with the Instant Pot. It's set at the lower setting. I'm going to add in probably about 2 cups of chicken broth. This is a 4-cup container because I want enough gravy because we're going to have mashed potatoes with this. You don't want to come up to the bottom of the turkey breast because you want there to be room between that and the liquid. Okay, that's about 2 cups of chicken broth. I was going to say chicken breast. I'm going to close my lid down and I'm going to lock that into place. Alright, now I'm going to select the pressure cook setting on it, and I'm going to set the time for 55 minutes, and this is set on high pressure, and we don't need to keep warm on. I'm going to set the steam release to pulse. I'll let that pulse for a little bit, and then after a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, I'll do I'll do a quick release of the rest of the pressure. Alright, my time is up. I left to do a pulse release for about 5 minutes. Then I did a quick release after that, which there wasn't much pressure left in there. I took my turkey breast out, cut the mesh wrap off of it, took that chicken broth out of the bottom, put it in a saucepan and make a gravy out of it. When I put this back in, now we're going to air fry this. Now I'm going to take out the pressure plate. And you got to be careful because this is a little hot. I'm going to place this in the sink. And I'm going to spray my turkey breast down with a little olive oil. It's going to help in the browning process. And I'm going to sprinkle a little more of my seasoning, my McCormick seasoning on there. Just for some extra added flavor. I'm going to close my lid down. Alright, now I'm going to press my air fry button. It's set at 400. We're going to set the time for 10 minutes. I'll check it. I'll check it to make sure that it doesn't burn the turkey breast. We want it nice and golden brown. Alright guys, this is done. I like to go for the full 10 minutes. You can see how nice and golden brown that turkey breast is. I'm going to take it out and put it on a plate to rest for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, I let this rest for about 5 minutes. Let's cut into it and see how it is. I don't know if you can see this on camera, guys, but this guy is juicy, tender, and this knife is just going through it like it's butter. Cooked through, smells delicious. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some red skin mashed potatoes and buttered corn to go with this. We start out with a piece of this turkey, and I'm cutting this right with a fork, guys. Now remember, we start out with a frozen turkey breast. Super tender, moist, well seasoned, delicious. That's really great, guys. Let me try a little bit of this gravy here. Gravy's well seasoned. Has that chicken flavor from the chicken broth, and it picked up turkey flavor. You know, guys, 9 times out of 10 when we get a turkey, we just eat the breast and we wind up giving the rest of the turkey away. Which I don't buy a turkey, I get it for free from work. But if I would have to buy a turkey, this is what we would do every year for Thanksgiving. So there you have it, guys. Turkey breast from frozen to delicious in the Instant Pot Dual Crisp with Ultimate Lid. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember,
Love what you eat and eat what you love.